I'm Joel Bittner with Placer Mosquito and Vector Control District. We're out here with the drone company Skyx doing a drone trial and seeing their new technology with swarming drones for ag spraying. With any drone system for mosquito control, we want to understand the spray characterization, how much, how fast, and what amount of product is being applied. So today with Skyx, we're using dyed water to spray a test swath over cards that will then collect the droplets and measure the droplet density and droplet size to get some data on how that application works.
Hello, my name is Elon. I'm with Skyx. This is one of our drones. We're building agricultural spraying solutions, and we know how to put together multiple drones in a single mission. We call it swarming, and we also know how to do what we call spot spraying, and that means that we know how to plan and fly the drones between different locations. I hold in my hand one of the test results we're doing here with Joel and his mosquitoes abatement operation in California.
This is part of a project that we are trying to compare our Agris MG1 drone with their system to see if we can get some sort of a comparison in terms of droplet size and droplet characterization. After we get that data, the next step would be to test for mortality using a cup bioassay with mosquito larvae, and ultimately all of this should result in us having a better understanding of what kinds of drones with what products and what spray parameters will be best for mosquito control.
We ended up today with testing a few in different scenarios, different altitudes, different gallons per acre. We were, I think, quite impressed with the coverage that we got on the papers.
So one of the strategic goals of the district is to investigate new technology and try to find a way to be more efficient and more effective at protecting public health. So this exciting new technology using drones definitely has a lot of promise, and our job is to test it out and make sure that it is doing as well or better than our conventional methods.